Introduce highlight features and overview summary of Kexle Colorful Cool Mini Humidifier, USB Personal Desktop Humidifier. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. This mini humidifier is small in size, light in weight, easy to carry, ultra quiet, and powered by USB cable. It is suitable for travel, bedroom, office, car humidifying your living space to prevent drying air. 2 working modes: intermittent mist, 3 seconds on 3 seconds off, and continuous mist. Full water with USB use can last moisturize 4 hours in continuous mode, 6 hours in intermittent mode. Ultrasonic humidifiers produce a near-silent frequency 26 dB ensuring ultra-quiet operation. This humidifier won't bother you while sleeping and working. It can effectively moisturize dry skin and help you reduce skin peeling. When the water is used up, the small humidifier will automatically shut down, protect the device, continue to use after restarting. Thus, you don't have to worry about the humidifier being damaged in the absence of water. The portable humidifier is very easy to operate. One button controls for all functions. You simply need to press one button to set the mist and night light. Press once turn on off mist, long press 3-second turn on off LED light. Make your life easier. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.